going to teach you how to create subfolders in OneDrive. Whether you're organizing schoolwork, team files, or personal documents, subfolders keep everything tidy and easy to find. I'll walk you through the latest OneDrive browser interface, the one with Create and Upload at the top, and then show you an alternative using the desktop app on Windows. Follow along and you'll have a clean structure in just a minute. First, let's use OneDrive in your web browser. Open your browser and go to OneDrive, then sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the main folder where you want the new subfolder to live. This is important because the subfolder will be created inside whatever folder you're currently viewing. At the top of the page, look for the Create button next to Upload. Click Create, then choose Folder from the drop-down. A prompt will appear asking for the folder name. Type a clear, descriptive name, something like Reports 2026 or Photos Vacation. Try to avoid slashes or special characters that OneDrive doesn't allow. When you're ready, click Create. You'll see your new subfolder appear right inside the main folder you opened. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page or sorting by name or modified to bring it into view. That's all there is to it in the browser. You can now open that subfolder and start uploading or creating files inside. If you prefer working on your computer, here's the alternative using the OneDrive desktop app. Open File Explorer, then click your OneDrive folder from the left panel. Navigate to the main folder where you want the subfolder. Right-click in any blank space inside that folder, choose New, and then select Folder. Type the name of your new subfolder and press Enter. As long as OneDrive is running and you're online, it will automatically sync to the cloud. You'll usually see a small syncing icon that turns into a green check when it's done. And the same folder will appear when you check OneDrive in your browser or on other devices. A quick tip before we wrap up. Plan your folder names and structure so you can find things quickly later. Consistent names and simple categories make a big difference, and you can always adjust or add more subfolders as your library grows. That's it. Creating subfolders in OneDrive is fast, reliable, and keeps your files organized across all your devices. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.